Remember when you had to name test methods starting with the word test or manually register them in a test suite? Those days are gone thanks to one simple annotation. The @test annotation is JUnit's way of marking methods as executable test cases. When you place @test above a method, you're telling JUnit this is a test that should be run during test execution. It replaces the old convention of prefixing method names with the word test, giving you complete freedom in naming your tests descriptively. This annotation is the fundamental building block of every JUnit test class. There are strict rules for test methods. They must be public, so JUnit can access them. They must return void, because tests don't produce a value. They either pass or fail, and they cannot accept any parameters. Break any of these rules and JUnit won't recognize your method as a valid test case. The @test annotation supports optional attributes that add powerful capabilities. The expected attribute lets you verify that your code throws a specific exception. Just write @test with expected equals the exception class, and JUnit will fail the test if that exception isn't thrown. The timeout attribute ensures your test completes within a certain number of milliseconds, perfect for catching infinite loops or performance regressions. Here's the magic. JUnit automatically discovers and runs all @test annotated methods without any manual registration. When you run your test suite, JUnit scans your compiled classes using reflection, finds every method marked with @test, instantiates the test class for each method, and executes them. No test suite classes, no explicit registration, no configuration files. The annotation is all you need. The @test annotation marks methods as executable test cases that JUnit discovers and runs automatically, eliminating manual setup and giving you complete control over test naming. Now, go write some tests. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.